if you are reading the title and the thumbnail, you obviously know it is kind of a sad day, but he is going to be listing his 2019 Mustang GT for sale. I know he did just buy this. Honestly, the reason he's selling it is because he's going to be buying some land soon and he's going to be in the process of building a house. And honestly, this was really just a spontaneous decision. He kind of bought it mainly just for Mustang Week, which I know is kind of crazy. But if you guys are in the market for one, I will go over some of the mods that he does have because it is a really clean car. So from what you guys have seen on the channel, you do know that it is a 2019 Performance Pack 6-speed manual. And I think this car is like extremely clean. I mean, they are very hard to find. It did take him quite some time to be able to find this exact one. He wasn't really looking for a specific color, but this car is stupid clean. And like I said, it's only got 46,000 miles, but it did come with a Flowmaster catback. I think it does have the resonator delete on it. And then he ended up adding some Euro taillights, which these things are really nice, especially on the white. The car does not have active exhaust, sadly, but everything else is really clean and it's pretty much a fully optioned car. But it is a base package with the Performance Pack. So you do get the gauges in there, and then he did just recently put the out-of-end 10-inch touchscreen head unit in there, and that thing works really good. But you can see, other than just needing a little bit of the detail, you can tell that the interior is really clean, and there's really no rips or anything in the cloth. Everything on the dash is stupid clean. There's really no defects in the interior. Another thing that he did do is he added these black badges, so you will be getting that along with the black grille and then the black deck lid in the back. This car will also come with 20% tint everywhere except for the windshield. And here's that deck lid that I was talking about. The car does only have 46,000 miles, which, I mean, you can obviously tell that it is really clean. He bought it at 44, and then he drove the Mustang Week and was driving around a little bit, did some things here and there, but obviously other things that came up, and he's gonna be building now. But it also does come with the Brembos. I think these are 6-piston, and these things are extremely good, especially every time I hop in this car. It definitely grabs a whole lot better than even just a regular S550 without Brembos. Under the hood is completely stock, but it is a Gen 3 Coyote, and these things are also really good. As many of you know, they are one of the newer Coyote engines. Obviously have the Gen 4 out now and the S650s. But I'll give you guys a quick little walk around of the entire car so you guys can see down that line how clean this is. Another thing that you do get with the Performance Pack, you do get the auto rev match and the hill start assist and all those different kind of features like launch control. You also have line lock and a bunch of different things. So it's honestly a perfectly optioned car, other than the fact that it maybe doesn't have leather if you are looking for that. But everything else is pretty much there, and you can't really find a cleaner car. So if you guys are interested, make sure to hit him up on Instagram. It'll be right there on the screen. And I guess other than that, I will put in some driving clips from some previous videos that you guys can see how it does drive and everything. And it's a really stout car. Somebody needs to buy it. I really hope that somebody does buy it through here. That'd be really cool. still be able to hear him down the road. Yep. That thing sounds so good. Oh my God. Sad thing is he's probably like full throttle too. Dude, this thing is loud. That thing looks so good, dude. This makes me like not want to sell it. He's definitely full throttle. That's so funny. I want to hit like a second gear in this thing if I can. So quick. These Broombos are so touchy. Just texting him to try to rev it up because I was wanting to try to hear it because I never hear it from. Dang, dude, that thing sounds so sick. I don't even know if you guys can even pick that up. Dang. Oh my goodness. Wow. So you guys can hear it. This clutch is so easy. So sad. I mean, I'm in third gear, like 3,000 RPMs, and it's like nothing. Alright, so I guess that's all I'm going to have for you guys today. Like I said earlier, if you guys are interested in buying this car, make sure to go hit him up on Instagram. I know he'll greatly appreciate that because he's trying to get that thing sold. I guess other than that, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, it helps me out a ton. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time.